Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Easy English Learning. In this video, you are going to listen to part 2, How to Rent a Car from Hertz. You will listen and practice a car inspection process in English. Listen carefully and answer the following question. What problem did the staff solve?
Here is your Jeep Wrangler.
It looks great.
I'll check inside.
I'll check outside first. I'm looking at the front bumper. The bumper protects the front of the car. Now I'm checking the tires. The tires look good. Now I'm checking the hood. The hood covers the engine. The windshield looks clean. The windshield is the big front window. I'll check the spare tire. The spare tire is here. I can also see the tools. Now I'm looking at the trunk. Everything looks fine. Oh, I found a small scratch on the rear bumper.
Yes, that scratch is already recorded.
I'll take a few photos.
That's a very good idea.
I'll take a short video, too.
We always recommend that.
Why?
Your own photos show the condition of the car before you drive away. They can help if there are any questions later.
That makes sense.
Now I'm checking the headlights. The headlights help me see at night. Now I'm testing the left signal light. Now the right signal light. Now the hazard lights. The hazard lights warn other drivers. Everything works. I'm checking the dashboard. The gas tank is full. Great! Now I'm adjusting the side mirrors. The side mirrors help me see traffic beside the car. Now I'm adjusting the rear view mirror. This mirror helps me see behind the car. I'll open the sunroof. It opens smoothly. Now I'll close it. Perfect. Now I'm testing the windshield wipers. The washer fluid isn't spraying. I think the windshield washer fluid is empty.
I'm sorry about that. I'll refill it right away.
Thank you.
It's full now.
Let me try again. Perfect. It works now.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem.
Everything looks good now.
Let's get in.
I'm sitting in my seat. I'm fastening my seatbelt.
Me too. I'm starting the engine. Now I'm shifting into drive. My hands are on the steering wheel. I'm releasing the brake. The car is rolling forward.
We're finally on the road.
Our American road trip starts now.
I can't wait.
Have you found the answer? Let me mention the question one more time. What problem did the staff solve? Leave your answer in the comment section. Keep practicing and keep confident. See you in the next video.